Today we're going to take a break from the bus renovation. What are we doing? Bus conversion.
Yeah.
And we're just going to do unboxing. So if unboxing is your thing, stick around. If not, I'm sorry. That's what's happening today. We got some really cool things to share. And the weather's kind of lousy. So we thought we would open some boxes, share some things, stuff we're buying for the bus. Okay, the first thing I want to open is this. This is a water filter. We love using a Berkey water filter in our kitchen, which is the big stainless steel pot. It filters water. It's supposed to clean out like all impurities, viruses, toxins, pollutants, anything. It's supposed to really clean it. So we always run our water through the filter just to be extra safe. Well, we're doing a bus conversion, converting our shuttle bus into like a mobile getaway. We want to make sure we can have fresh water anywhere on the road. But we can't take our big, what do we got, the Imperial
sized Berkey. It's like 4.5 gallon, I think.
Yeah, too much to deal with on the road. So we wanted to get a travel size. Now we have nothing against our Berkey, but we decided to try something new and got a Pro 1 water filter. Let's check it out. We got this because it's small. That's it. I don't see any dents on it.
I don't either. Why would they sell this as a dented version?
This is pretty nice looking so far. I'm not going to assemble it all right now with the filter and the spout here, the spigot. But you guys can get a good idea. I have been waiting to open this for so long.
Like weeks.
Waiting for you guys because I wanted to bring you along. It's in such good shape and we bought this on sale. This was in their outlet, like they had a scratch and dent section on their website, and we got this for a big discounted price, and it looks pretty flawless. There'll be a handle on the top, and if you guys don't know how these work, you pour water in here.
Goes through the filters.
There'll be a filter mounted in here, and it drips gravity fed into the bottom where you dispense it down here. So Pro 1, haven't tried it yet. One of the things I liked about it is another brand. We just like trying new things. We hate being stuck in the rut of always buying the same old, same old.
And their filter says it filters out fluoride too.
Fluoride? That's something the Berkey doesn't.
Yeah, you have to buy a special filter for the Berkey to do fluoride.
Yeah, so this has a really good filter and it only has one filter. You can see there's one hole in the bottom. And I really liked that. Because the Berkeys, they have multiple holes and you have to plug one or have two filters. So I'm really excited to try the new water filter and we have a perfect spot picked out for it if I can pull this bus together. I hope it all fits together in there. It's a very tight space. We got something else really cool for the bus and we're looking forward to this.
So what we did was we ordered fabric to make curtains with. And this is the fabric we went with. So we went with a fun tropical type theme. Kind of goes along with the exterior bus colors. And we just think it's cool.
Now the bus name that Ashley came up with was Oasis. And so we felt like kind of like palm leaves and stuff kind of go good with that.
Yeah.
So we're going with the palm tropical Oasis theme. And love the colors in here.
Yep. It's organic sateen fabric. Organic cotton.
Now, we don't have a sewing machine. So we're going to try to keep this really simple. We could totally buy a machine, we're just not ready to. So what's our plan? How are we hanging these?
We're going to use hem tape. And we bought these plastic grommet things to, make the holes and put it through a rod.
You cut out your panel. Like Ashley said, using a hem tape, which is like an iron-on hem, no-sew hemming, just to finish the edges up. This is all in theory. We've never done this before.
Yeah.
Then we got to cut out the holes where those rings, and they snap on. So they'll pinch right around the fabric. And they snap together, and then you should have curtains.
Yep.
So we'll try it out. I know there's a ton of ways to do it, and there's probably easier ways to do it. The reason we liked these is because they open and close very easily. They just
they
naturally
slide on the rod easy.
And they naturally want to make the fabric fold because of the way they get put on the rod.
Yeah.
So I just like those. We're going to try them out. They got a nylon like spacer in there so they aren't as noisy on the rod. It should be good. That is the color scheme, and that is the fabric we picked out. We got a lot of it. We should have enough to do everything.
Yep.
This was probably one of the most expensive parts of our build. There's a lot of expensive parts, and you guys will see that, but this one was up there with them.
Yeah, we got 10 yards of this.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll use all of it, but most of it.
We bought this fabric off spoonflower.com. It's a website that was actually suggested to us in the comments, right?
Yeah, a while ago.
And basically, it's a website where people, users, submit patterns, like fabric patterns.
Yeah.
And the company prints them, and those people can make some money from it, I guess. But the point is that there are literally thousands of patterns and designs to choose from.
All kinds of stuff.
And we searched through, typing in different things, palm, and, different things that we were looking for, tropical. This popped up, and we said, this is awesome. So basically, we got to order this in our choice of fabric. And
yeah, there's a lot of fabric choices to choose from.
Yeah. So that website is pretty awesome, and you can pretty much find anything you're looking for. And if you can't find it, you can make it and upload it, and they'll print it on fabric for you.
Yeah.
So. Oh, I got something else.
You do?
Boom. So we got a new Dewalt Brushless 3-speed Oscillating multi-tool kit. And this is literally the first time I've opened this, so this is pretty cool. I didn't even know it came with a bag. So
I like those bags that they have, don't you?
Yeah. Oh, this has the wire in here, so it's rigid, like a doctor's bag. That's fun. I bought this specifically for 2 reasons, really. One of them is for a project we have coming up, and we'll get to that when we get to it, but also the bus. I'm going to be using this to cut our dashboard apart and try to customize it for some buttons. So hopefully that does the trick. I know I probably should use like a Dremel or something, but we're going to go big. I bought this kit because I got a really good price on it, and it came with the new battery and charger, and I wanted a new small battery. And I got this for like the same price as the Bear Tool price, more or less. It was a really good deal. I think I found it on eBay. Can't wait to use that, but you guys will be seeing it soon, maybe in a...
Probably the next video.
Couple, maybe, somewhere in there. So let's not dwell on that one too long. Just a new tool, try out. And there was actually, like, Dewalt tools are so tricky to shop for because you'll see, like, all different versions of the same tool. There'll be, like, 4 different drills, and you're trying to figure out what's the difference. This one was the same way. I got this one because it has 3 speeds on the bottom, and you can control how fast it oscillates, which should be pretty good. Brushless. I don't know. Just grabbed it. We might have to go outside to show you the rest. While we're going out there, we did open something the other day, and I already filmed it. And that is mattresses. Mm-hmm. Guys, we bought brand new mattresses to put in the bus conversion. 4 of them. So check this out. So we just got a special package delivery that we're going to open. This is for the bus build. It says, do not open with sharp object.
And what are you doing?
Boy, oh boy, how are we going to get this open? Let's open both ends. Well, I'm thinking about splitting
the box.
The seam here. Please do not use knife to remove plastic. Let's put it here.
Whoa.
We'll have to see how they...
We got them sized the right size.
I'm going to say it. Too healthy.
So these are mattresses for our bus conversion. We're going to be making a couple of beds in there. You can see 4 mattresses. These are specially sized RV mattresses. They're 30 inches wide, 75 inches long. So 2 of them side by side is about as wide as a queen bed. So those mattresses were pretty cool. We're happy with them. We haven't gotten a chance to test them out yet, but hopefully they'll be comfortable. Now let's open something else. We got something really cool. So some of you guys may have caught our Centipede Stands in previous videos. And they're basically just a collapsible portable workspace. Now, I usually just throw a piece of plywood on top and call it a day. It's been working great, but we got gifted some tops, so let's check them out. So there it is. Let's check it out. This is a high density fiberboard. Something smells really. Is it this? It smells like fruity. What is that?
I don't know.
We just kind of like wing it when we're showing you guys stuff. There's 2 more for the middles. Let's not worry about that right now. We're just getting the point across. They do lock on. Now it took me a little while to figure out all these holes. I did some research previously, and basically, if I remember the terms correctly, these are 3/4 inch holes made for bench dogs. And basically it's different accessories that you can put into the holes to clamp down work materials. They're usually little pins or whatever, but they push into the hole and you can put your workpiece up to them, clamp it, and work. So those were a really cool gift, really thoughtful. I'll tell you my honest first impressions, I always like to be honest, is I probably won't use them outside. You'll still see me throwing plywood and boards on these because I don't trust using an HDF top outside because we have such weird weather and it can just start raining out of nowhere. And I just wouldn't want those to get wet and swell up. And the other thing is they're pretty heavy. That high density fiberboard has a lot of weight to it, and it's probably going to be a lot lighter to carry a piece of OSB out here than it is to carry that out. So that's good for indoors, having a workbench set up, but outdoors I'll probably stick to the scrap wood. Now we won't keep you too much longer, but we got a couple more things to show. You saw the mattresses, but we also got some new bedding to go with it. So let's just check it out. This isn't as exciting as the rest of the stuff, but it's still pretty cool.
Yeah, 100% wool blanket. We got 4 of these.
So as you can hopefully see, it's just a dark navy blue. So we decided to stick with a simple wool blanket. I think you can't go wrong with that.
They're good in the cold, and they're good also when it's hot out.
And they're simple, they're durable, and they're a natural material. We wanted something that was natural. This is 100% wool. Can't get any more natural than that. So,
and this will also go with the navy blue that's in the curtains.
We like wool. We buy wool carpets. We have wool blankets in the house. I don't know how well this brand's going to hold up. These were one of the cheapest ones on Amazon. You just got to know how to take care of wool. We're used to wool, so it doesn't bother us, but you can't just throw it in your washer and expect good things.
Gene.
So this brick that we just opened is actually our bed sheets for the mattresses. Again, organic sheets. We picked a blue. It's gonna look good.
Ooh, that's a weird smell.
Ugh.
Ooh, what is that? It smells bad.
I'll just get it close so they can see it.
Turn it around.
Yep. So again, this is organic cotton. We like that. Made in India. And that's a print. The texture, the color is a print, but it's like a heather blue. So we bought 30-inch by 75-inch RV mattresses. And these are smaller than a standard twin. But when shopping around online, we had a hard time finding that RV mattress size in the type of sheets we wanted, which was organic. It always makes our shopping difficult. So we got these regular twin size. They're going to be oversized on these mattresses, but we just hope it works out. So that is that. That's the bedding so far. Okay, as you can see, we're letting it get messy in the barn again. We got stuff everywhere. We're working on the bus, and we got supplies piling up. I'll give you a sneak peek at a couple of them that we've already opened, but we'll call it a after unboxing. We got new jack stands. That's going to be really cool because we need to do this. Check this out. Most of you guys will probably remember that the suspension is broken on the bus. I didn't just get the missing part, I got a whole new setup. So we'll try to talk about all this when I get to it, but we got new parts. We're gonna build a whole new system on there because we got bent steel on the bus. I'm not gonna take a chance, I'm gonna do it right. We got everything we need right now to go. So if you haven't been following, basically we have a broken shear spring on the bus. I'll show you guys what that is again later on. Also, the support for it is bent, and the steel is bent, and also a piece of it is broken, I noticed. I decided to replace the whole system and be safe on the road, so we're going to be working hard on that soon. And even in the bus, we got this new vacuum. That was also a gift. I got new clamps that I've been loving. We got this. Check this out, guys. This is our new water hose for the bus hookup. I wanted to get a hose to carry around so that we can hook up and supply our water. Look at this. This is a water right hose, and it's drinking water safe, totally safe, like lead free, awesome plastic, high quality, made in the USA. And the color is showing up a little bit odd. Let me see if I can get it more normal. Probably closer to this. And it's basically a cranberry color. Cranberry. So it looked a little bright red there, but it's cranberry. A little toned down. This hose, I forget if it's 50 feet or what, but it's long, but they got it coiled up. Now it is a small diameter hose. It's only got a 3/8 inch diameter inside. So it's a low flow. You're not going to get a high rate out of this, but for our needs, this is going to be perfect. And look how compact it is, that we can just throw it in our shed when it's done and be on the road. So look at that. Really neat. And it really stretches out and retains its shape. Really cool. So basically we have a ton of things that we've been opening, enjoying, and we have to get to. And we wanted to share a few of them. There's so much more supplies that we haven't even showed you yet. But we did try to pick out some of the more interesting things. So I hope you guys had fun watching and coming along today. But now I have to get working, so we're gonna end it here. Thanks for coming along, and we'll be back soon with another video. So until next time, take care.
Bye.